My first day on the job, I didn't know that I wasn't gonna be afraid of heights. I just said I gotta ride it out, I gotta give it a try, and then I loved it.
On my first day, I was like, how are they doing that? But now it's like, okay, that's what I do.
I honestly didn't think they'd hire me because I didn't have any experience with the telecommunications industry or anything, but they hired me, and the more I was here, the more I liked it.
We are providing cell phone service to areas where, there is a lack of capacity, of lack of signal. So we are trying to provide the best cell phone signal to customers.
A lot of times we'll show up to work and you're going to a tower, but you don't know what you're going to be doing on that tower. And it keeps things fresh and you're always learning.
It's always something new. Like there's like really never the same thing over and over again. You're always doing something different. It's not boring. It's not like you're sitting in an office doing computer work all day. You're out doing something that can be very cool. I mean, the view is always cool, obviously.
The sights, the view from up there, it's phenomenal.
The people are cool too. It's like you're hanging out with people, but you're just doing something while you're hanging out.
The camaraderie and the teamwork kind of happens organically because everybody will have that rough day and we all go through it together. And you've always got each other's back and it makes you feel like you're part of something bigger and that you can accomplish maybe more than you could on your own.
We have a great team. We all get along. And we are super safe.
Safety is first and foremost. We have a 100% hook-off rule. There's never a moment where you wouldn't be hooked off to the tower.
As you start working here for longer, you tend to trust your equipment. You're able to do more and more, like taking your hands off the tower, leaning backwards, just all of that stuff becomes almost natural, and you almost feel like you're safer and safer every day because you're trusting your equipment.
If that's one thing that gets hammered into people's heads is that we're not going to do this if it's not safe. And if there's a challenge that requires a whole lot of extra work to make sure that it's being done safely, we're going to do the extra work and make sure that it's done that way.
There's no other exception at Nsight. You're going to do it the right way and you're going to do it safely.
And nowadays, you're not only wrenching on nuts and bolts, you're actually wiring stuff up there. So having some of that knowledge or just being able to learn helps a lot.
Right there, you're on a stop. So now we'll go with this one.
Somebody's teaching you something all the time, so it's not really what you know, it's just what can you learn. Because I learn something new every day, and someone's going to teach you the right way to do it, and it sticks.
You want the hook down.
The training doesn't really ever stop. We're always learning. There's official training programs out there that we seek out for rescue or for operating equipment.
People will stop what they're doing to help you. If you need help doing something, there's always someone willing to help you.
It is rewarding. It pays well. The company itself is a great company to work for. And there is a lot of companies out there that come and go, and I think I'm lucky enough to be part of a company that has been around for a while, and I think it's due to the standards and the culture that we have. Just provide the best that we can and always be willing to do whatever it takes to do it right.
There is plenty of room to make a lifelong career and do very well for yourself. And to take somebody without needing any schooling or any education that they had to pay for, and you get it all right here, and you can make very good money and do something that you're proud of at the same time.
I mean, you just have to get up there and try it for yourself.
Just apply and start working here. That is the best thing you can do. There is nothing outside of this industry that would train you to climb towers.
It's really a good place to work. They take care of you and you work hard, but the company makes sure that you're compensated for it.